Let's go ahead and go through a few more. So we're going to find all holes and asymptotes again. So we're going to factor first. So I factor out my greatest common factor, which is 2x, and then x plus 3. The denominator, there are 4 terms, and it looks like grouping method's going to work on it. So I take out an x squared on the first one. I'm going to do it over here, and then I get 2x minus 1. And then I take a negative 9 out of the second one, and you get 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1, then x squared minus 9, which factors even more. So we have the 2x minus 1. The x squared minus 9 is x plus 3, x minus 3. All right, so let's start working our magic. So a hole, there is one since we've got this x plus 3 right here. So remember, you find the 0 of that hole, so it's negative 3, and that's going to be the x value. And then please remember to find the y value. You're going to plug that negative 3 into the simplified, everything that's left over. Negative 3 minus 3. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 7 times negative 6. Those actually end up canceling out, so you get negative 1/7. And there's your hole. Vertical asymptote, or asymptotes, there's 2 of them, because remember I only take the ones that are left over, and I find the zeros of the denominator. So we have 1/2 and 3. And then now that we have our quicker trick of the horizontal or oblique, we're just going to divide the first terms. So 2x squared divided by, so if I do 2x squared divided by 2x cubed, you would have 1 over x, which means that our horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0, because that means we're going to have, it's automatically at a remainder. And there we have it. This has been so fun. Let's do another one. So next one, we're going to factor 5x. Take a 5x out and you get x squared minus 4. And then we've get x minus 4x plus 3. And the numerator factors a little bit more. And we're ready to go. So no holes. That's unfortunate. Not really, but holes are kind of fun. So we get x equals 4, x equals negative 3, because we're looking at the denominator for the vertical asymptote. And horizontal or oblique asymptote, once again, I'm going to divide these. So I'll have y equals 5x cubed over x squared. So we have y equals 5x. Now remember, that's not our final answer. If we don't have our constant yet, we have to do synthetic or long division. So I'm going to go ahead and just do long division on it. So I've got x squared minus x minus 12, and then the 5x cubed minus 20x. And we know we start out with 5x. So write that right there. 5x times 5x, or times x squared is 5x cubed. That's negative 5x squared. And a minus 60x. And I'm running out of room. That's exciting. Now we're subtracting, so I like to personally switch the signs. But you do what you need to do. And I really just need to know what this number right here is, because then when we divide those, that's going to give us our constant. So it's the plus 5. Because 5x squared divided by x squared is 5. There it is. There are the answers.